Are you struggling to lose weight and to keep it off once you've lost that weight? I know it can be a challenge and it's tough to know which supplements actually work. But don't worry, today I'm going to be introducing to you a new supplement that's been dominating on the health market. Not only does it help you lose weight, but it helps boost your immune system as well. And it has so many benefits. So today we're going to be talking about Nutravesta Proven. So you might be wondering who I am and why I do this. My name is Brian Herschel, and I research health products so I can find the best ones and the ones that really work and give genuine results. And let's be honest, there's hundreds of products out there that are released on the market. So I do the research by looking at tons of blogs, articles, videos, talking to professionals to know which the right ones are, because it's important for me. And I do this for two reasons. One is to help myself and my own health. Second is to help the health of my family members, friends, and people who look at my reviews and watch my videos so they can get the best results possible. But before we get into it, I do want to talk about one scam that's been going around. And that is not the product itself, but if you go buy the product from a third-party vendor on the internet, it might not be the exact product, meaning you won't get the actual benefits or results from it, and it won't actually help you. You'll just lose your money. So be sure to check out the official website, which I will give to you at the end of this video. So let's get into it. What is Nutravesta Proven? So Nutravesta Naturals is the company that created it, and it's an immune system booster. It helps many facets of your health, not just weight loss, but it can help your heart, it can help many other elements in your body, and it does this through proven ingredients that work. The biggest ones are green tea leaves and garlic bulb, but it also has other great things like turmeric, it has selenium, and Asian mushrooms, which are really, really good, that extracts. But the two I want to focus on are green tea leaves and garlic bulb, because those are superfoods and they're great for helping your immune system. Now what this does is it helps your general health. So it helps you fight off viruses, pathogens, other things like that. But importantly, it increases your metabolism. Now, as you get older, you may know your metabolism doesn't work as fast. Your body's going to store more and more fat, which increases weight. Now, simply what Proven does is it helps not only help your immune system get up, but it helps your metabolism so you're able to burn more and more fat while experiencing health benefits as well in your immune system. So it's a win-win. Proven contains bioflavonoids. Now, these components have antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties, which allows them to combat toxins in the immune system and remove them. And by inadvertently moving these toxins, it helps with weight loss. Proven also uses an ingredient, a herbal supplement called Panax ginseng. What Panax ginseng does is help with anxiety or any issues of that nature, and helps with energy boosts. And because it helps reduce anxiety and energy boosts, it allows you to combat mental and physical exhaustion. Proven reduces fat by targeting hormones that signal hunger to the brain, specifically ghrelin. Now, ghrelin comes from the toxics in our air and our food, specifically from plastic production and degradation. And this is causing us since the 1960s to actually experience more hunger and in turn more overeating, which is causing weight gain. And what the issue is ghrelin is triggered by all this problems with production with plastics, specifically compounds like BPA. And when it's secreted due to all of this toxics in the air, in food, even in other substances, it causes our ghrelin production to go in overdrive, causing more overeating, more weight gain. And when ghrelin's actually at its normal levels, we don't get a lot of hunger pangs. But now that we have Proven, it targets ghrelin, so it prevents all the overeating and all the problems with those toxic chemicals that put our hormones out of whack. Now you might ask, how is Proven used? Well, Proven's actually fairly simple to take. You just take 2 pills with your water at breakfast. And the nice thing is the pills aren't very big. They're just normal sized pills. And in turn, they are all natural supplements, so they're not addictive. However, you definitely want to take the recommended dosage of 2 pills in the morning, because taking more will not speed up your progress. Now, I know you might be saying, are there any side effects? Well, this is an all-natural supplement, so there's not really any side effects that happen because of it. But if you're pregnant or if you're under 14, you shouldn't be taking Nutravesta Proven. Now, I looked around at a lot of different sources. I looked around at a lot of different things. I tried to find a discount for you guys, and I was able to find an 80% discount for you on Nutravesta Proven, which is in the link below. So guys, I wish you the best of luck on your weight loss journey, on your health journey, and with Nutravesta Proven. And thank you so much for watching this review. If you want to get more reviews and products like this, be sure to subscribe and like this video for more. Have a great day.